In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send high-priority emails in Outlook, whether you're communicating urgent information or need a quick response. This simple feature can make sure your message stands out in a crowded inbox. So, let's dive right in. Begin by opening Outlook. Outlook is a powerful email client widely used by professionals to manage communication efficiently. It's packed with features, and among them is the ability to mark your emails as high priority. So start by launching the application to get started. Once you have Outlook open, your next step is to initiate the process of creating a new email. You do this by clicking on the New Email button. This action will prompt a new message window to appear, where you'll be able to draft your email. Now that you're in the message window, your focus should be on the options available under the Message tab. Look at the top section of this window. You should see various tabs like File, Home, Send, Receive, Folder, View, and, of course, Message. Click on the Message tab to reveal specific options related to composing a message. Under this tab, you'll find a button labeled High Importance. This is usually represented by a red exclamation mark icon. Click on this button to mark your email as high priority. Doing so tells the recipient that your email is critical and may require urgent attention. It's a small step, but it makes a significant impact by highlighting your message in the recipient's inbox. The red exclamation mark is a visual cue that stands out, guiding the recipient to address your email promptly. With the high priority status set, you can go ahead and compose your message as you normally would. Start by adding recipients in the TO, CC, or BCC fields, enter your subject line, and then fill out the body of the email with the content you wish to convey. Remember to be clear and concise with your message, especially since you're marking it as high priority. Clarity will help the recipient understand the importance and urgency of your email. Once you're satisfied with the content, click Send. When your email reaches the recipient's inbox, the red exclamation mark next to it serves as a clear indicator that it's high priority. This means that your email will be more likely to be noticed and addressed quicker than others without such a mark. And there you have it. That's how you send a high-priority email in Outlook. It's a straightforward but powerful way to ensure your urgent messages are given the attention they deserve. Use this feature wisely to facilitate faster communication in your professional interactions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.